Every year we have a guest speaker event called CGFX. We have a day all about computer games, about visual effects and about animation. We get some of the best companies in, so we've got Blue Zoo coming in for animation, games companies, we've had Ubisoft, we've had EA Games, we also have film companies and visual effects companies, so we've had Industrial Light and Magic, MPC, Double Negative come in. We try and get the best in every time.
I'm Annie Durwood. I'm the founder and creative director of Anti-Venom Games. We're an independent video games company based here in Southampton, and we're working on our first title called The Joe Chronicles. So I'm here to talk to Solent University students about the gaming industry. My talk is specifically on what is it like to work in the industry, do's and don'ts, things like that. Anytime I have the opportunity to just give them information I wish I'd had, I'm here for it.
I'm here in Southampton Solent University to give a talk about video games and a life in video games, and the perception and the reality of coming out of university and going into work.
My company is Exo 3D, and we are a creative studio specialising in product animation and visualizations for various brands and manufacturers.
I'm Tyler Oliver. I'm an environment artist at Airship Interactive. So me and a few of the others from Airship came down to present a talk about the games industry, things to do as a student, your portfolio, things like that. And then we got a networking session, some of the students looking at their work and getting to know them a bit better.
It's really shaping up to be the greatest industry, not just the biggest, but the greatest industry in the world, because there's room for everyone. And people are really making strides and making sure that that space is there and people know it's there.
Most exciting thing for me in our industry is the fact that we're on the forefront of this technological boom and shift into AI, VR, AR, all of these interactive experiences that are coming whether we want them to or not, and there will be no stopping it, and you're going to be right there visualizing everything within a pair of glasses or a set of goggles.
Things I liked about studying at Solent were the state-of-the-art technology and the amazing lecturers we had that were so knowledgeable in the field. Solent prepared me for my career by giving me the vital skills and knowledge in the software and workflows needed in the games industry.
I'm actually trying to get Southampton up and running as a new gaming city of the South. And part of that reason why is because I think it's just primed and ready for opportunity. For students especially, doing a gaming degree or whatever, you could start your own studio, for instance, and really make a go of it.
There's a lot of cross-pollination between post-production and video games. There are certain aspects like modeling, environment building, animation, texturing, visual effects. There's a lot of crossover. So if you're going to go into video games, know that there's a possibility to cross over from both sides.
The advice I'd give for getting into the games industry is continue working, sticking at it. It takes a lot of time and effort, but everyone will get there eventually.
Coming to university isn't just about the information of how to make a game, it's your first community. It's your first networking. It's where you're going to access your future colleagues for the first time. The resources, specifically places like Solent have, are immense, and the help that they'll actually provide you can't get online.
Do it, love it, enjoy it, and then when you're out in the business world earning a living, I think you'll just get a lot of joy out of it, because if it's something you enjoy, you're going to do it so much better than anybody else.